After a starter replacement at the dealership, the customer noticed smoke coming from the engine bay. Turns out, the technician left a pry bar tool in there, which melted and eventually caught fire.
Customer comes in today, said she's got wires hanging down and steering difficult. Now, I am just absolutely baffled and stumped at this one. If anybody's got a part number for these wires, drop it in the comments. I think I'm going to start there, and we'll investigate the steering issue.
You ever get in your vehicle and you start to get ready to drive, and then you hear something like, oh, sound like a hiss. Is there a kitty? Are you a kitty? You're not a kitty. It's a little baby raccoon. Are you friendly, little guy?
Hello. This time on customer state. Ever since alignment, I have bad tire wear. All your fault. Oh, yeah, tire wear present. Maybe why? Let's see. Check here. Oh, good. Oh, oh no. Not connected. Oh, one of these is not like the other.
Oh, I wrote the video giving the door noise, door window noise, and then you added the helicopter.
Safe.
I got a fun one for you guys today. We open the airbox and a bunch of these nuts hit the ground, and then I look down here and I see that. I'm thinking, how did he get in the hop of the air filter? No, he chewed through it. That's a busy boy.
Why?
This customer brought in his recently purchased semi for a wheel alignment. Here's what the technician found. What do you guys think? Is this safe?
Customer states dealer told them they needed engine. Dealer told them it was locked up, the battery was dead. We just pulled this tone ring out from behind the flywheel, or flex plate. It's missing pieces. They quoted him $26,000. This part cost $7.
This Tesla driver used the megaphone function so his dog could talk to the dog in the car ahead.
Man, these are the people we driving next to, bro, on the interstate. Look at the strut. Look at that. It's broken completely. These folks came up here for 2 tires. This is who we driving next to. I ain't never seen nothing like that.
So this truck went to one of those get your oil changed fast places and then ended up at my shop. Let me show you what we got going on. So we hadn't touched it, but I had a parking lot full of oil out there, and this is how he drove up. We just raised it up on the lift, and this is what we see. The oil drain plug is twisted off inside of the oil pan, and you can see that somebody's been messing with it, trying to get it out of there. So the customer says that he went there just to get a regular oil change, wasn't having any issues, no oil leaks, anything like that. And he went and sat in the lobby, and they stayed out there with his truck 2 or 3 minutes and come back in there and said, man, your oil drain plug broke off. And he said, well, he's been getting his oil changed there and only there for the past year. So who knows? But anyway, they told him that they didn't do it and wasn't going to do anything about it, so.
Dragging noise on their car. Their shock is not only completely broken, but stuck inside of their wheel. Never seen that before.
Alright, got a 99 Volkswagen Bora here. Client says it's making a lot of noise, it goes. I wonder why.
Customer states transmission issues.
All right, here you go. Watch this. Water in the expansion tank and right out of the valve cover. Customer states low on oil pressure.
Customer states the steering's a bit wobbly.
Okay, side to side.
What the f is this? When you think your starter is bad, but in reality, you broke your crankshaft.
Nothing left on that body, unfortunately.
Okay, this is what it's supposed to look like.
This is what came out. Yep.
Had a good shake, Dave. Give her a good wiggle. There you go.
Wow, you can't be other way.
Mr. Lube, you done up.
Oh boy. Oh, both sides. Wow. Oh, that ain't right. Oh, that ain't right. Where's the skirt? Oh no!
Yeah, I was wondering why it was almost impossible to stop this car. Oh my god. Oh my, he tried to cover it up. Oh my god! I almost crashed this thing going like 5 miles per hour.
To avoid a serious bodily injury, use duly proper Caesar rim recommended by rim manufacturer Max PSI and Tire Industry published noonting procedures. Very nice.
Man, you finna get blasted on. Don't be scared, alright? I ain't gonna argue. He told your ass.
Ah, sweet exhaust, man. Oh, wait. Sweet exhaust, man. Oh, wait. Sweet exhaust, man.
The homie that could do it for cheaper. Yeah, I guess that's holding.
Here's how this customer fixed their oil leak. This customer ran a cable under the car for the rear backup camera on his Mercedes.
This is very interesting. I like that it goes in and then it shoots out and then shoves back in.
Dude, look where it goes from here.
I'm getting there. Zip tied.
I don't even know what's wrong with you. The gas slowed down like there's no trouble codes. It drives totally fine.
What the is this?
I told Dad, I said, just have one.
It's the tie rod is where you.
So in the they messed up your car files, we have all kinds of fun things happening with this engine replacement. Some welds in the oil pan, you know, just cut the sway bar end link because you can't get the aftermarket axle in and out. But the best part of all is the sealant holding the exhaust gasket on. And of course it wouldn't be a complete wonderful repair without an unrelated leaking brake line.
Hot girls hit curbs. How big was the curb?
Cut for a state. Driver's side, something exploded behind the dash and poured out on the floor mat. Checking the box.
Well, yeah, it's all up in there. But
Could be their fun. Their candles. All melted. Fixed.
After this Porsche 944 received an LS engine swap, the customer reported a grinding noise. Turns out, a 10mm socket was forgotten in the bell housing during the swap.